Welcome back. Well, a good movie is like a good hotel. It should be tasteful, entertaining, and worth your hard-earned dollar, with a little nugget of soap on the pillow. And if it meets all those requirements, you're likely to check in again.
I'd hate a nugget on the pillow. I would never go and stay in that hotel
nugget.
again. Oh, okay, still. That's the case in the
hotel's
second
not
best
motel.
Exotic Marigold Hotel, a sequel to the very popular 2012 comedy. Now it stars Dame Judi Dench, Maggie Smith and Bill Nye. They all return, along with newcomer Richard Gere. Jason Jabba Davis, our movie man, has made room to see it. Joins us now from Melbourne. Hi, Jabs. What do you think?
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Of course, Richard Gere, not a newcomer to cinema, but to the franchise. We could be seeing the first senior citizen franchise in Hollywood or out of England. What's interesting, of course, this week, Birdman was the first comedy to win the Academy Award for Best Film since Shakespeare in Love back in 1998, which was directed by a guy called John Madden, who gave us the best Exotic Marigold Hotel and has returned following the phenomenal box office success of that film with the second best Exotic Marigold Hotel. So is this film a second-tier film? Not at all. It is so sweet. The original cast returns, including two dames, and Richard Gere is introduced as a potential buyer for the hotel chain. But is he the buyer or is he just a novelist working away in India? This features gorgeous cinematography, amazing colours. It's a very romanticised image of India, not at all like Slumdog Millionaire, which of course paints a very different reality of India. This is for romantics. I watched the film next to an 87-year-old woman. She absolutely loved it. Let's take a look at the second best Exotic Marigold Hotel.
Lordy, Lord, have mercy on my avarice.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the great Guy Chambers. As welcome as he is fragrant.
Hello.
Hello.
Good to meet you all.
Perhaps tomorrow you will allow me to take you on a tour of our magnificent Pink City. But now I shall bring you food guaranteed to tickle even your most talented taste buds.
Wow, that was thorough. Find any polyps up there?
He's the one.
What one?
Our evaluator, sent to decide if we are to be franchise or footnote.
What's your evidence?
The nose, Mrs. Donnelly.
Oh, right. So that's bollocks then.
So it's a gentle humour, but lovely.
It's really gorgeous. A delight for the senses. 4 stars for the second best Exotic Marigold Hotel.
Did that 87-year-old woman next to you do the old
Is that what made it romantic?
trick? You know, during this romantic film?
No comment.
Okay. Another film out this week is A Most Violent Year. Tell us about that.
Okay, it's set in 1981, which is also a film that we've, or an era that we've seen in other films, such as The Pursuit of Happiness, starring Will Smith. We'll catch up with him on the show tomorrow. This one is about a guy who has a small business selling heating oil. He's getting pressure everywhere, including from his wife, played by Jessica Chastain. Comes to us from director J.C. Chandor, who was nominated for his film Margin Call a couple of years ago. Gave us All Is Lost with Robert Redford. This is as good as Goodfellas, The Sopranos. If you love that type of film, it's a slow burn, 4.5 stars, a masterpiece for a most violent year. It's in cinemas now.
Unlikely to become a senior citizens franchise, though.
It's a bit darker than Marigold Hotel.
Or as romantic. Thank you, Jabs. Great to talk
guys.
to you.
See you, mate.
Next week.
Cheers.
Don't go anywhere, people. Weekend Sunrise is back in just a moment.